Selar is the biggest affiliate platform in Nigeria, and in this video I'll be sharing with you how you can make money from this platform. First, head over to selar.co and create an account. After creating your account, you are going to choose from any of the options here. There are 3 options here, but just 2 is how you're going to make money. Either as a creator, these are people that create digital products. You can create ebook, checklists, mini courses, training, webinars, and host on Selar. When someone buys, you're going to get your money into your Nigerian account. Second is as an affiliate. You can make money simply by creating an affiliate account. This is when you come to Selar Marketplace and pick a product that you don't own, get your link, promote the product, and make commission from it. Selar is so easy to navigate and they pay every day. You can get some money into your Nigerian account once you make a sale on Selar every day. If you want me to make more videos on how you're going to navigate the platform Selar, ask your questions in the comment section and I will answer you, making a video telling you all you need to know. Bye, and see you on my next video.